Hello, and good morning, good afternoon, or good night, wherever you are, and welcome back to my channel. So, I am just going to jump right into this because these types of videos tend to be kind of long for me. This is the Umai Crate, brought to you by Japan Crate. So, I actually bought this as a present for my friend for his birthday and forgot to cancel it. So I have another one, so I figured I'd review it for you guys. I haven't done a subscription box review in a while, so let's see what we have in the Umai Crate. So first, like all of the other like Japan Crate type subscriptions, like, you know, there's the different types of the Japan Crate, and then there's the like makeup box that they have, and the Umai Crate, and I feel like there might even be one more, but I'm not 100% sure. They all come with a little booklet. So this is the April 2018 booklet. Was there a theme? I don't know if there's a theme to this crate. Oh, it's to celebrate the year of the dog. Alright, let's see what's in here. Alright, so I'm literally just gonna like hold it here like this. So first, we've got something that looks spicy. This one right here, yay! I don't want to put like too much glare on it. So let's see what it is. This is the Sunaoshi Spicy Ramen, so it is spicy. Bring the heat early this season with this spicy ramen. This soy-based soup ramen has a light pepper and kimchi flavor that will leave your taste buds sizzling with flavor. A lot of flavor. And then it's kind of cool because it gives you directions in there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see this. No, you can't. It gives you directions, but it also tells you what to try it with, like to up your ramen game. So this one says try with bacon, hard-boiled eggs, and green onions. Now, I don't think I'm that, like, extra when it comes to packaged ramen. I don't think I'm gonna make stuff to put inside of it. So, we'll see how that goes. But that's the first one that came in here. Next, I see some dry noodles. Ooh, noodles. Alright, so these are Tenobe Somen. It says, somen are like udon noodles in that they are made of wheat flour and can be served both hot and cold. However, they are on the opposite spectrum in size as they are very thin noodles. Try it with miso soup, mushrooms, and green onions. And it gives you a little recipe too on how to make afternoon miso somen. So, you can make somen with these noodles. Miso somen. Next, we've got this, which is green, so it looks like it's gonna be like seaweed flavor, maybe. Can you see it? Yeah. This actually says udon dape. Yuzu is a citrus fruit that looks similar to a lemon. Popular as a flavor in many Asian cuisines, the yuzu soup is partnered with white soy sauce to help the yuzu become more fragrant for your taste buds to enjoy. Oh, so it's flavored like lemon, kind of? Or it looks similar to a lemon, but maybe it doesn't taste like a lemon. It says try it with shrimp tempura, nori, and carrots. Okay, so there's no nori inside of it, which is good. I'm not the biggest fan of nori, but that's an interesting flavor. Next, Goma aji or goma ai. What is this one? What are you? Oh, wait, here's the package. Okay, so this is what it looks like. The whole package is like really shiny, so. And this is Sesame Taste Ramen. If you like the taste of sesame, you will love this ramen. Darker than traditional soy sauce ramen, it provides a savory, aromatic taste that will make your mouth water as you're waiting for it to cook. Get your taste buds ready. So that one, I kind of like sesame. Like, I don't know how I'm gonna feel about a lot of sesame flavor, but I like sesame enough to try that. Okay, this one's got like a beer on it. What is this? This is Shijimi Miso Soup. Shijimi Miso Soup. This particular miso soup is specially made with clams. I don't like clams. For a rich, savory flavor and is advertised to help boost your energy, keep you feeling refreshed, and help cure hangovers. Conveniently packaged, just add hot water and enjoy it in its own paper cup packaging. So that's kind of cool that it's supposed to help you boost your energy. I'm just kind of scared of the clams part. Like, are there dried clams in here actually? Because that scares me a little bit. Guess we'll see. Then this is like the special item that came with it. It's this little dog. Oh, you can't see it. See him? Puppy! I'm gonna show you this dog. Whether you like it or not, you're gonna see it. See how cute he is? A little cutie. So what you're supposed to do is actually rest your chopsticks on him. I wonder if the brightness is too bright. Like, I wonder if this is actually gonna be way too bright in post-production. Guess we'll see. But yeah, so this little dog, you're supposed to rest your chopsticks like right here so that way they don't have to touch the table and like get things dirty or get dirty. He's ceramic and he's so cute. I'm happy I got the blue one. Next we've got this interesting thing, which is like a package, and I've never seen anything like this. It's supposed to be a soup. It looks like there's pieces of tofu, but I don't know if there's tofu actually in here. I don't know if I'm gonna like this one, honestly, because it's like tofu and nori, it looks like. Seaweed. Let's see. Tofu miso soup. Yeah. It says, oftentimes miso soup has many ingredients that are added depending on the region, season, and one's personal preference. Save this one to make at home and the other one in this crate to make it work. We strongly recommend adding cubed tofu to any of your miso soups. Try it with rice, fried tofu, and green onion. Okay, so it doesn't come with tofu in there. That's good. But I still don't know if it comes with the seaweed in it. I guess I'll find out when I make it. And the final item in this month's box is this, which is Kinchan te bukake udon. We have featured many udon in the past, but this one is a bit different. The noodles are splashed with a sauce after being cooked instead of just served in warm broth. Get a jump start to spring with this udon and enjoy its unique soup base infused with a strong taste of bonito, tuna, and kelp, seaweed. Okay. Maybe it won't be so bad. You never know, right? Alright guys, well that is it for April's Umai Crate. I'm not really sure how to rate a crate like this since I don't feel like you can rate it on value because you're getting to try stuff that you can't always pick up in the grocery store. Like I've never seen these at the grocery store. Granted, if I went to the market by my house, like there's this market called Zongbu Market, they might have something similar to this, or if I went to H Mart, or what other markets are there? Mitsuwa, we have Mitsuwa here. If I went to any of those, then maybe they would have these things, so maybe it's not that great of a value. I'd have to do a bit more research and find out, but I think it's normally 30. My first box was 25 because it was like my first box and you get the coupon and stuff like that, but I'm pretty sure it's 30 afterwards. I'll like leave it down here or in the description somewhere how much it actually is, but I feel like you're not getting too much for $30, so that's why I feel like you're paying for more of the variety and like experience of getting these. So I think it really depends on where you live. If you live in a city where you don't have access to supermarkets that would sell these kind of ramen, or like if all you have is Maruchan and like, what is the other one, Top Ramen or something, if those are the only brands that you have, and Nissin, if you have Nissin and Maruchan and those are like your only two options, then I think this would be a really good box for you because you could try some stuff that you normally wouldn't be able to try. But I have seen unique types of ramen at Jungbu, and I haven't really looked around Mitsuwa too much, or like I've only been to H Mart once, so I feel like you could probably get some of these at those markets. And if you do have access to those types of markets, maybe check those out first because I feel like it is a lot of money for what you're getting. I think it's more than you'd be paying at the supermarket. So it's not too bad of a value. It's just, it stinks because you're gonna get ones in there that you might not like, at least for me, if you're picky. So, I would say, if you're not picky, that's tip number one. If you're not picky, 2, if you don't live near an Asian supermarket, and 3, if you just love ramen, because this is a lot of ramen to go through. Even in a month, like for me, I don't think I eat ramen that much because of the salt, like it gives me headaches. So if all 3 of those things are true, then I would say go for this box, try it out, get it, see if you like it. If some of those things aren't true, I would say do some research. Like if you have an Asian supermarket nearby, check that out and see if they have any of these there. If you have, if you don't eat that much ramen, then maybe like talk to a friend, see if you guys can pitch in together. If you're a picky eater, then maybe look at some of the past boxes and see if there's something that you wouldn't like in each box. Like if the majority of items in each box are stuff you wouldn't like, don't go for it. Other than that, I mean, it's a good variety. I like the amount of stuff that you get. I like the variety of stuff that you get. It's a really cool idea, but just keep those things in mind. So that said, I think I'd give it maybe 3 hearts. 3, because I feel like this would be a good box for some people. Like I said, it's just I don't think I am the right market for this box. Like, my friend loved his box. He's not a picky eater at all. He ate every single soup within a month for this, like, ramen. So if he was able to do it, I know there are people out there that will love this box. So 3 hearts. And that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this was helpful to you in some way for deciding whether or not you should get this box. Let me know in the comments down below if you do get this box, or if you don't, are you thinking about it? Are you gonna pitch in with a friend? Are you not so sure? Let me know. So yeah, I will see you all back here next time. Bye. The different types of wow, that was hard to say. These are, I'm not sure what's going on. And yeah, I will see you all guys.